Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools. Our mission today, graphing a function rule, and our objective is to graph equations that represent functions. And today, my dear student, or this part of lesson, we will graph linear equations. Okay, let's go. Graph each function rule. We will start with the question number 9. Y equal x negative 3. Okay. okay. What we need to graph this equation, I need a table. I need xy coordinate. The table for what, teacher? It is for the x values and the y values. Okay, it is nice. Okay, from where I have to get the x values? You will get the x values from your head, from your mind, I mean. Okay, so teacher, I can select any numbers? Yes, you can select any number from your head. And I know you will select the easy number. I know you. Okay, and if I, instead of you, I will select the same thing, the easy and the nice numbers. Okay, so I like 1, 0, 2, the small number. You can select them, okay? But my advice to you, you have to select regarding to the equation, okay? Okay, teacher, I have no problem with any number if I put it instead of x, and it will be easy. Okay, that's fine. But for me, I will select number 3. I will select 4 for the x. The first value of x is 4. Okay, and and I will select select with me. Okay, 3, and I will select 1. I select the 4 and the 3 to get a positive value for y. Okay, a positive values for y. Okay, great. Now, how I get the y values? You have to come back to the equation and say to x, hey x, if you are 4, what will happen for the y? He said, if I'm 4, the y will be 1. Easy. Okay, we're done from this. Great. Now the second value of x is 3, and ask the y. If the x is 3, what you will be? The y answer, 3 minus 3 equal, yes, equal 0. So the y said I will be 0. Now the y or the x is 1 now. 1 negative 3. See, I will write x minus 3 again. Okay, to avoiding any confusing for you. Now, when x equal 1, you have to put the 1 instead of the x here. Okay, it will be like this. 1 negative 3 and 1 negative 3 equal negative 2. Now, I created 3 order pairs actually. The first order pair is 4 and 1. The second order pair is 3 and 0. And the third one is 1 and negative 2. And I have to plot those values, or those what we call them? Yes, we call them order pairs. Yes, thank you. Okay, we plot the order pairs in the xy coordinate. You know, the x for left and right, and the y's for up or down. Up for the positive, down for the negative. Remember that. I know you know. Okay, now what we have to do? The first one, let let me erase these colors. Thank you. I erase everything actually. Okay, now 4 and 1, how we plot the 4 and 1 here. Okay, you can describe it, or you can see the directions like the navigator. He asks you to move 4 to the right, 1 to the up. So come here, it is 4 to the right, 1, 2, sorry. Every time, my dear student, you start from the origin, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1 up. So you will be here. So the map lead you to this point. This is 4 and 1. The second order pair is 3 and 0, as you see. And this map, okay, lead you where? Can you describe the directions? Yes, teacher. He asked me to move 3 steps to the right and stay there, because it is 0, no up, no down. So again, 3 to the right, 1, 2, and 3 here. Yes. And how many steps up or down? No, don't move up or down. Stay in the same place. Okay, so this is the second order pair. The third order pair, my dear student, it is 1 and -2. 1 to the right and 2 steps down. So you will be here. Now, after you plot the points here in the x coordinate, xy coordinate, connect between the 3 points by using what? A ruler. Good. So you have to draw a straight line and say, hey, my teacher, this is the equation x minus 3. This graph or this line is represent y equal x negative 3, the equation that you ask us. By the way, look here. If you see here, I will write the equation here, up. You can see here, yes. Y equal x minus 3. You see, this is x minus 3, my dear student. You see, the line have the same slope, okay, or the same graph that we draw before. You see, teacher, it is short. Your line is very short. So, but I can tell you, you can extend it to the infinity. It is up to you, my dear student. Okay, you can extend it to the Riyadh or to Jordan. I like to go to the Jordan. Okay, now, okay, let me tell you something very important equation. Okay, this graph is line. All of time when you graph a linear equation, you will get a straight line. But teacher, what is the difference between those equations? The difference is the slope and the direction for the line. Okay, as you see, the line move up. Yes, he is go in this direction. He moves up. Okay, and it is, we call it, is increasing. Okay, and because I'm very smart like you, no, I'm joking, because without graphing, I know it is move up, increasing in this way, because you see the x is positive here. Yes, when the equation written in the y subject, okay, in the y subject, and my student knows, my students know how, if what's the meaning of y subject, the y alone and happy like me. Okay, y equal x negative 3. I know because the x is positive here. Okay, has no sign, negative sign, so it will be in this direction, in the same direction as you see, maybe like this, maybe like this, maybe like this, but in this direction. okay, because the sign of the x is positive. Let us take another example to show you how is the life is very easy with you and very beautiful also. Okay. Okay, let us select one more question. Okay, it is number 10. Why not? Okay, y equal, I will draw what, my dear student? Y equal 2x plus 10. You are welcome. Okay, now the first step, teacher, we select the x values and the y values. Okay, the x values from my head, I like the small and the nice and the easy numbers, so I will select 1, 0, and negative 1. Now, if x equal 1, sorry, if x equal 1, that mean y equal, okay, if x equal 1, that mean I have to multiply the x by the 2, which equal 2 plus 10 equal 12. It is very, oh, it is plus 5. Sorry. Oh, alhamdulillah. Yes. Okay. Now, if x equal 1, multiply 2 plus 5. So any value of x multiplied by 2, then plus 5, you will get y. This is the rule for this equation. So it is 7. And if x equals 0, multiply 2. If x equals 0, multiply by 2 equals 0 plus 5, it is the y will be 5. And if x equal negative 1, multiply 2, negative 2, don't tell anyone, plus 5 equal 3. Beautiful. So now I created 3 order pairs. The first one is 1 and 7, bravo. And the second one, it is 0 and 5. And the third one, you can tell me, yes? Tell me, yeah. It is negative 1 and 5. You see, you are beautiful. You are very beautiful. Now we plot the order pairs in the xy coordinate. 1 to the right, 7 up. You like to drink 7 Up or Pepsi, by the way? Yes, like me, I like to drink Pepsi, but don't drink a lot. So 1 to the right, 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be here. Okay, great. Now 0, I'm here. No left, no right, but 5 to up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5, my dear student. Beautiful. And the third one, negative 1 and 5. By the way, we reach here, if you don't know. Wake up. Now it is 1 to the left and 5 up. 5 up or 3 up. Oh, oh my God. I made a massive mistake, which is here. It is a 3. Why you don't correct me? Okay, I know you correct me. Thank you. Okay. So, and 3 up. Oh, I changed the color by the... Okay, 1 to the right and 1, 2, and it will be here. Okay, let me draw the line, straight line, remember, see? So teacher, we also have a straight line, yes. If you remember, it was like this, the other equation, it was like this. If you remember, you see, All of time we get a straight line. But what is the difference? The slope for each line and the direction. The direction for all the equation that has a positive number of x, okay, a positive sign for x, like this one, see, okay, all of them, okay, have the same direction. No, this is no, okay, and this is yes, positive of x, positive value. No, it is not positive. Positive value, positive value for x. All of them have the same direction, okay? But teacher, what if the x is negative? What is the direction? Okay, I will tell you. I will draw another one or not. Okay, I will draw a small one. Okay, a good equation, a polite equation. Now, okay, let me erase this and draw one very fast, faster than this. Okay, stay with me. You will be happy and you will be rich next days. Believe me. Now, I will draw this number 13. You see, the x has negative sign. So let us see the direction of the line. See the difference. We have a straight line, teacher, yes? Yes, but with different direction. Those direction is called increasing, okay? It's referred to the increasing, okay, movement or way, okay? Now, the first step, as we said, we select the x and the y. We select from our mind the values for the x. I will select 1, 0 and -1, and if, let me write the equation, it is 3 minus x, y equal 3 minus x. Okay, now if x equal 1, what is the value of x? If x equal 1 here, okay, if I put it this value here, you know, yes, but I have to make sure you are understand. Please forgive me. Okay, this is 1. Okay, 3 minus 1, it is 2, teacher. Be faster, thank you. I will be next time. Okay, if x equals 0, this will be 3. And if x equal -1, it will be 4. Great. Now, the three order pairs, the first one is 1 and 2. The second one is 0 and 3. And this is -1 and 4. Okay, let us draw it. By the way, this equation, okay, let us complete. So now he asked me to move here. We are here, my dear student. 1 to the right, 2 up. 1 to the right, 2 up. So we are here. We done. No left, no right, but 3 up. Okay. No left, no right, but 3 up. 1, 2, and 3. Great. Here, yes, 1 step to the left and 4 up. It is here. Yes, thank you. Let me erase this and connect the line with this. You see? It is coming down. This, it is coming up. This increasing, and this called decreasing, because it's moving down. How I know before I graph, my dear student? If the x is negative, it's coming down. If the x is positive, it is coming up. Okay, my dear student, let me graph it for you. So this graph, this one, it is y equal x minus 3. And this graph it is represent y equal to x plus 5. And this graph represent, oh my god, it is very ugly. Okay, and this graph, you know that now, it is y, sorry, let me write correctly, y equal 3 minus x. Okay, and I said for my dear students, if the x has a negative, so the direction will be like this, moving down. Okay, my dear student. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit from this. Okay, but let me show you something here. Okay, this is the x minus 3, but if you see, this is x minus 3, as you see. If I write 3 minus x, see, you see, the direction will be different. Okay, this is increasing, and we say it has a negative slope. Okay, negative slope, that means the x is negative. But if it is, the x is positive, like this one, x negative 3c, it will be, the slope will be positive, and it is increasing also. Okay, this is 2x plus 5. You see the three graphs that we the three questions that we graphed before. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit from this part. In the next part, we will graph a nonlinear equations. Remember this information, it's very important. If you want to graph a linear, you only need 2 points to graph it, okay? So you need 2 order pair. But teacher, you create 3 before. Yes, it is to make the graph more beautiful. But if you want to graph, this is for linear, okay? But if you want to graph non-linear, okay, you need more order pairs. Okay, my dear student, see you later, my best alligators. Goodbye.